Okay, here's an update on my solar hot water heating controls. I replaced this solid state relay, which was rated to 220 volts DC and 100 amps, but I think I burned it out because I went above 220 volts. And I replaced it with this IGBT block, which is rated for like 1200 volts and 100 amps. I don't know, forget now, but it's a lot more rating. And I had it on this at first, this piece of aluminum, and this morning I had it on for a while, and this was really hot. It was pretty darn hot, so I found a bigger piece of heat sink. It's much more substantial. You can see the difference between this one and this one. It's got fins in the back too, so we'll see how this does. It's warm now, but it's not hot like it was. I just turned it on not too long ago. So here's the control voltage with a 200 or 20K resistor between the control pins so that it's pull down. I had a problem with it going off under testing. Here's what I have right now. I put my extra panel on, so I have 6 PVs in series now. And I'll flip this off, and then it'll show the open circuit voltage. No, that doesn't do it. I have to do it the other way, show the open circuit voltage. I will pull the control to simulate that the contacts opened up on the thermostat. But I'll just pull the fuse too. There we go. 276 volts. So that's higher voltage than I had before, but it's a little bit hazy out today, so I'm not seeing the same current as I had earlier. I'm past my peak sun. So anyway, it goes on and off like it's supposed to. So from now on it will be controlled by this. And if I push a lot of buttons now, I could show, but I just got the temperature set up. I can just pull the 12 volts out of the there, see, it goes right down to 0. Put it back in. Goes back up. So as long as I don't go over the 300 volts on this this meter here, it should be okay. So anyway, thanks for everybody for the help. That IGBT Roy, he wanted me to say that he helped me a lot, which he did, because I didn't even know about these things before. He uses them on his wind controllers and other controls. So now I kind of know what I'm doing. And then Bob told me I can replace this resistor with he gave me a circuit, and it'll switch faster if I want to do some PWM with this, and maybe use less power too, I don't know. So anyway, thanks for everybody helping with this.